Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we'll learn how to create the knuckle joint parts and its assembly in SolidWorks. So let's see. Now let's see how to create first knuckle joint parts and then assemble it. So first we'll create the parts. So we'll create these parts one by one. Now we'll create this part first. So just go here, select the part, click OK. So first we'll create this eye and rod. So select the top plane, click on the sketch, select circle, just draw two circles. Go in the smart dimension and take this other circle of diameter 20. Now select corner rectangle and draw one rectangle. Just draw one center line. Go in the add relation, select this center point and this, make them horizontal. Now go in the trim entities and just trim this. Now we'll create fillet of radius 20. Just go in the fillet, take the radius 20 and click here, click OK. So now this part is ready. Just exit the sketch, go in the extrude boss, select the sketch, go in the selected contours and select this inner circle to provide the cut. Here take the thickness as 26, click OK. Now select this face, click on the sketch, make it normal too. Now select the circle command and draw one circle diameter 20. Go in the add relation, select this point and this, make them vertical. Go in the smart dimension and take this distance as 13. Now select the line command and draw lines on the corner. Go in the smart dimension and here take the dimension of 5 at each corners. Now just create one center line. We'll use the mirror entities. Select this line. Select the center line as the mirror line. Click OK. Now exit the sketch. Select the extrude cut option and select this sketch. Now go in the selected contours and select the other points. Just delete this region and select this again. Now here take the cut distance of 35 that is given here. just click OK. Now again we'll just show a sketch, so just click here and show the sketch. Go in the extrude boss feature and select the circle and extrude it to a length of 35. Now here there is a fillet radius, so we'll just go in the fillet. We'll take the fillet radius as 3 and select the corners. Click OK. I'll just hide the sketch. Now there's a fillet here also, so again select the fillet command. Click OK. Now first part is created. I'll just add some appearance. For that I will go here. I'll select the painted. Select this blue color. Drop on this body. I will save this part. Click on save as. I'll create one new folder. Name it as knuckle joint. I'll just save it as name of eye and rod. Just save the part. Now we'll create the second part, that is the knuckle pin. Just create the new tab. Select the front plane. Click on the sketch. Now here for drawing this we'll just use the revolve command. So I will just draw one center line. And here the total height is given as 75 plus 10, that will be 85. Now select the line command. I will just draw the even sketch first. Now go in the smart dimension. Here this distance will be of 15. This will be of 10. And this is of 10. Now just exit the sketch. Select the revolve feature and select the axis. Click yes. Now we'll create this pin hole, that is taper pin hole. For that select the front plane. Click on the sketch, make it normal too. Now basically here there is a taper of 5:4. So for that I will just first draw one circle of diameter 5. The distance is given from the bottom 10. Just go in the smart dimension. Take this distance as 10. Go in the add relation. Select the origin point and the center point. Make them vertical. Exit the sketch. Select the extrude cut option and select the circle. Now here we'll take the depth of 10 mm and click the draft command and take the draft degree as 3 to provide the taper. And use the direction 2. Here just close this draft option and here take the thickness as 10. Click OK. So here it will be of diameter 5 and here it will be of diameter 4. Like this we can create the taper. I will just assign some appearance. Now we'll save this part. Give the name as knuckle pin. Now click on the new tab, select the part. Now we'll create the third part, that is the collar. Now select the front plane, click on the sketch. Now here there is a 2 diameter 20 and 30. Select the circle and draw circles of diameter 20 and diameter 30. Exit the sketch, select the extrude feature, select the circles, go in the selected contours and select this inner circle with the thickness of 10 only. So just click OK. Now again we'll select the top plane, click on the sketch and we'll provide the taper cut. Just draw one circle of diameter 5. Go in the add relation, make it vertical. Go in the smart dimension, take this distance as 5. Just exit the sketch, go in the extrude cut, select the circle and we'll provide the cut as earlier. So just go in the draft, take the draft degree as 3, go in the direction 2, just off the draft and click OK. Here just increase the distance. Now just save this part as collar. Thank you friends for watching this video.